Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing quarter 3 flip through of my memory keeper for 2021. I will link down below the playlist for all of the layouts. Believe it or not, I did film every single one of them. So I will link it down below so that you can see them come together. I've also done collage videos as well, because for July, August, and September, there are videos down in the playlist as well. They were labeled like memorabilia collages and such, so I've had fun doing this as well. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I've been getting tons of new subscribers since I've become more consistent on my channel, and I love that. So in case you don't know, like, I've been doing this memory planning version with the Happy Planner. This is the big for 4 years now. So next year will be my 5th year. And I just simply love the format as a weekly check-in to kind of document what happened in my life. I do have a planner in which I do put to-do lists and appointments and such, but this planner is simply to capture the things that have occurred and for me to journal out more of the stories here in a chronological order. So let's get started. Also, I will say, if you want any information on the supplies I use, those will be in the, like I said, on the videos themselves. I will try to remember as much as I can right now for this flip through, but let's get started. So on my monthly spreads, I've decided to start doing, I call them like my collage stuff of life. Okay, so these are simply just packaging, receipts, and things that we either bought, consumed, or ate throughout the course of the month that I have just kept in a little dish on my desk. And that way it kind of, in my opinion, tells a story as well. Like from here already, you can see that, well, unless you knew, that I'll always know, this was from a Happy Meal box. This movie recently came out, and so that is the reason for that. I can see that I got tags from clothing for NFL, so it tells me that football season is coming. This little squish tie beans, because these are Valentina's favorites. She must have gotten a new one. And then certain orders I did. This is like Jacqueline Cosmetics at Chewy. We ate out at Sushi Joe's. I love Bolé. We went shopping at Nike. So these are the things that, like I said, this comes across for me, even in order to my favorite Monet for my hair care. And I probably bought a new planner this month because I have a few of the packaging. So this too tells a story, in my opinion. So that's why I've been doing it, and I've loved this. So let me take this out. This was like a thank you card I got. So I did a horizontal planner spread here. This was using the cardstock from the scrapbooking paper pad through the Happy Planner line, and I probably took you through this simple layout with just bookending cardstock and the journaling in purple ink. This one as well, there's a process video for all of them. This one's using cardstock from my collection, like scrapbook paper. And then I did my journaling in like a teal ink. I like changing up the ink color to match the layout, and I always like both layouts to be cohesive. And then all these stickers are all from Happy Planner sticker books. This one, cardstock paper across the top. This one I can see, take the time to matte all the photos with red paper to really have them pop. And I printed all my photos on black and white, which is a nice technique, especially when you know that you're going to do a bright, colorful layout as such. These flowers are all from the Fun Floral sticker pad. I love that one, so I know that one off the top of my hand. And then I used orange colored ink to do my journaling. This was a spread. I know the scrapbook paper, again, is from those paper pad collections from the Happy Planner memory planning line. So this one was one sheet. This side was on this side, though, because I can see the cutoff right there with some of the purple still. And then I remember using a full sheet of these like purple foiled, if you can see that it's purple foiled, stickers from, I want to say it's Pressed Flowers, sticker pad. And then my journaling is done. It's hard to tell, but it is a purple metallic pen. And then I was showing probably on how I did the collage for like little photo strips using a 4x6 print. So I know that these probably were on this side. So the photo strips just get you smaller prints to add more photos to a week's layout. This was the week of the Olympics. So I did, there is a process video. I cut these out of like a 2-inch circle punch, and then I probably used like a 1.5-inch circle punch, which is why they're a little wonky, because you can't keep that completely still. The cardstock I think may have also been from the paper pad collection from Happy Planner. So are the stickers. These are all Happy Planner stickers, and then black ink. So it's a black, white, and then kept the color to the Olympic symbols. I was documenting, screenshotting some of the wins from a Puerto Rican athlete. She was doing the hurdles, I remember her. And Simone Biles taking her much needed mental rest days. And then how, what's her name? Oh, yes, Suni Lee won gold in the gymnastics. So those were the ones. I think I did another spread in my Project Life. So these are just some of the highlights that I kept. And then the stories that go along with these photos. She started dance, went to the zoo. So cute. So then we get into August. And actually, let me take off this because this is one of those checks. All right, so August, once again, was a photo collage. I bought a car, or financed a car, so that's what that I kept too. So once again, process video for this. Again, packaging. So school started in August. This was the packaging to her face mask set. We, probably got her a lot of school supplies. This is her new book bag that she got, and her lunch box. Yes, we got a lot of clothes. These are all clothes. I got a new lipstick. That's the packaging from that. A new sports bra for myself. Miguel gets his Manscaped subscription sent to the house. Yeah, and this was her book bag. This is her book bag. I probably got a new pair of shoes. So yeah, so you can see, like I said, these things too tell a story on what's going on in life at a glance. So, and I always loved the Chipotle. Did I do Chipotle last month too? Oh no, it's Bolé. So between Bolé and Chipotle, you'll always see it. I love both those spots. Here, scrapbook paper again, and then a lot of florals, probably from Fun Florals, using gray ink. And I know where these are from. These are from, I just used it again, the Mega Pastel brick of a sticker book are these quotes. So yeah, once again, I love the cards. Like, when you watch my playlist back, you'll always know that how I approach this project all the time is that I don't want to write that much all the time. And so using scrapbook paper occupies some of that space in case the layout is too intimidating for you. But it is a go-to kind of format for me because I love having both layouts be consistent and colors united. We went to see the training camp for the Dolphins. This one was a fun one. This was Hobby Lobby scrapbook paper, the thinner one, and I just did 2 corners here. And then this was a big Mombi stick from the sticker pads, the big stickers. And this was like the beginning of school. We went to teach her, we went to the school, play dates, and then that's when I bought my new car and some pool fun. And then here I used a turquoise, I think this was like a Uniball Signo pen. So I like changing up the ink a lot throughout my layouts. This is officially back to school. I did, if you're not following me on Instagram, I have the same handle except by Ty. So Moments Memories by Ty, I'll probably link it here, or even I'll have it linked down below. I did a quick Reels to this, or TikTok. No, it's on Reels. I don't know how to work TikTok. Reels. I put this one together in one of those quick 60-second videos, trying it out. I'm not the best at it, but I'm trying it. So you saw me kind of like glue the paper down, and then I did the cut file. This is a Page Evans cut file. And then I put all of the letters one by one, and you saw that. And so that was a fun way to do it. So this is like the only one technically not with the YouTube video, but it is on Reels on my Instagram. So please follow me there. So this is us all back to school the first few days. And then we had her cousin's birthday party. So that was a fun week. And then black ink for this one because all of the color was everywhere. Let me take out these. These are just things for our licenses. Should have done that before. Sorry. Okay. So then the next week, clearly was a busy week. I didn't have many photos, and I also had a conference all week long on Zoom to keep my license active. I'm a chiropractor in Florida. So this was my attempt at showing you that A, you don't need photos all the time to have a pretty layout. B, you can use a large title to occupy your space that you don't have enough to write or photos to show, and still using scrapbook paper to show the cohesiveness. So here it's still just talking about school probably and how it's an adjustment for us. This was a great book that I finished and read that week. And then my little boy, it says, we took him to the park. So yeah, and then this was gray ink and then a little bit of light blue just to kind of really say that we were in a conference all weekend. A tip again, follow me on Instagram, how I was showing you how I have the punch and how I keep a few of Valentina's schoolwork things. I mean, I get sent home a lot of school pages, and I just keep a few every month, and then I kind of pitch the rest. But just to kind of indicate what she's doing in school is a great look back to know there. Then this is September, so once again, Chipotle. Bento, teriyaki bento, that's another favorite one for lunch. There's a new like ice cream / Italian ice place called Jeremiah's Italian Ice that we went to. Clearly a new Barbie. I got some perfume. We went to Urban Air, which is a trampoline park. New bra, Bath and Body Works stuff, new scrubs, another favorite restaurant. I got new perfume. She got a new doll and a new Barbie this month, clearly. In the towel. So again, like I said, I encourage you to just kind of keep some of these memorabilias from life, and you can definitely occupy your monthly spread in this manner. Here, scrapbook paper, stickers from that big mega pack as well, and then a big Mombi stick to take up here, Living My Best Life. She had a book fair, and it was a few people's birthdays all in a row this week. And holiday shopping for Christmas ornaments at Hobby Lobby. You have to have that. And then here, did I use, yep, and I used colored ink, if you can see here, to distinguish the different journaling stories. So here's one story, here's another, and then blue ink here. And then these are 4 separate stories with the different color ink is how I approached that. Colored ink is good. Colored ink is good. Because I did the same here. So scrapbook paper, long stickers, all the stickers here are from Happy Planner, but then you can see that teal ink, the blue, the teal again, and then black to show up on this. So we have just different things. We went to Disney on Ice, we had birthday parties, and there's when we went to that Jeremiah's Italian ice shop. I love this colored leopard print. That's how I kind of had all of these kind of go together. This was dated. I showed this on TikTok. I had printed a larger story that happened on the 17th. We had our first COVID scared via school, and then I just had the paper match. It was the excess, so that was just another idea, so in case you run out of room. Here again, scrapbook paper, photos on the bottom, big sticker, and then I decorated this a lot with extra little balloons. Love the way this layout looks. Probably one of my favorites. And again, different colored ink. So I have the teal, and then this is like a metallic green here, and then this is the same here, these 3 spots. Getting colored ink, it definitely helps do all the stories. This was a fun one, doing stamping. This was the Heidi Swap Stamp Society Alpha stamp this month. Scrapbook paper, and then I did end up using, I know in that video I said I might just use the confetti stickers and kill it so that I had it all used and not save like a little bitty itty spot. So these are all Happy Planner stickers. Once again, I do have my collection, so I like using those products here just because they give you all like the little filler stuff when I see this. Because for me, my planner for tasks and to-dos and appointments, I keep just functional. I don't really pretty plan, but I always use my Happy Planner stickers in my memory planner. So then the last layout, I switched it up this month, and I have to glue these 2 together because I took the horizontal layout from another planner that I had, kind of the one I showed in the first week of July. And so I used the horizontal as well here. I kept some of the dates peeking through, but the rest of them kind of got covered by these photos here and here, which is okay. So we still know what date it was. And then here, I didn't change up the ink color. I just left it blue, but this one kind of goes to that. That is that. And then this is this. And the same here. Here, here, and here are the stories for this one. Okay, so that is everything. Now we are in the month of October. I am already saving the little paraphernalia things for here, and I am getting caught up. I have just last week's to do, and then this will be current. Like I have been mentioning in other videos, I plan to do a Grateful 30, so I don't know if I'm going to use it in here for November, like a Thankful 30 project. And then December daily, I do as a daily project in December. So I normally don't fill out the memory planner here because it'll all be in my mini album for December daily. So once October comes, I probably will just do a quick flip on Instagram. That way it's just 1 month, and that'll wrap it up. And then towards the end of the year or the beginning of January, I'll have a complete flip through so that you can see everything in its entirety. I hope you like this video. What I also get asked most of the time too when I'm doing these is I know I always show the layout once I'm done with the page in that video without the journaling. And a lot of people always ask, what does it look like with the journaling? And I hope this clarifies how I use different color inks. I swap out ink colors on a page to differentiate the stories, and that I do use up the rest of the space with my stories to tell. Because even here, this is like a gold metallic one. Not my favorite. I wish I'd used a gray or maybe even black, because there's really no, there's gold here. I just chose gold. It's not, it could be better to me, but you know what I mean? So this is always what after the pen looks like. Leave me a comment down below though, if you prefer to see after the pen in the videos, because I can start to do that, like finish it up, take the photos, write, and then take photos again for the videos. I totally can do that. I just haven't been, because sometimes, I mean, not really, my journaling isn't that private. It's just, you know, kind of the details to the pictures. So, but you can see how I, you know, change up my script to print to script to print, and it's super fun in that regards. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please join me on Instagram to see other goodies and sneak peeks to these videos. I will leave everything that I can linked below. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye everyone.